Hi guys, I have someone to introduce you to in 3, 2, 1. Well, hello. This girl, right here, is Lavender since she's in purple. She gonna teach y'all color theory. Hi, my name is Lavender. I will be the channel main character from now on. When there's a fan art comp, you always draw me or IG. Okay, let's start. Let's start with hue. What is hue, you might ask? Well, hue is the purest form of a color. Imagine you get a blue color, will be your hue base. Get it? Hopefully, haha. Next, saturation. You all have heard this word at least once in your life. Saturation is pretty much brightest to the softest. Like imagine you get a bright neon red that will irritate you eye, but when you lower the opacity, the gets to the light pink hue. Understandable? I'll take that as a yes. Now chop, let's start with value. Value is how dark a color can go well. I think it's pretty obvious the darkest of that. Color not. Black, I guess. I'm also not good at this. Just referring to my notes. So value is how dark a dot color can go. So, higher the value, the darker the color. We can see if it is low value or high. Value in grayscale. Color choices. Color choices is when you have theme for your character or whatever you're gonna draw. Imagine your OC is gonna be happy. She would have these type of colors. Now, if your OC you're drawing or about to draw is gonna be in a sad theme, then use these colors. If you're experimenting colors, I would say we choose very neon. Color like pop-up effect. Get it? Okay. Color wheel. This is where the real dot color theory. Color wheel has a cool and warm tint. Cool colors have a bluish dot tint, and warm colors has a red tint. Now imagine you're gonna draw orange. You would probably start with an orange, right? Well, don't do that. Take a picture of a classic dot color wheel and see the opposite of orange, which is blue. So, first color with the blue and then with orange. It maims you drawing. Look better. Same with the other colors. Color scheme. I accidentally already mentioned it in color wheel. I'll just tell anyways. So color scheme is picking the opposite core of the main color in the color wheel. Use the orange example I told last. Time K. Now background. This is in digital art, only in traditional. The background would be like Cloud City, whatever that you're gonna do. But I don't mean the background of that. This one of the most important in color. Theory. So, when you about to draw, first make you canvas gray or black. Never white. Because when you use white, you won't get a clear version of the color. So gray and black show the color better, while white just makes it look bright.